IELTS is easy. We can help you with IELTS so you don't have to sit this test a second time. IELTS or English language could be coming between you and your dreams of studying abroad. But they won't be. Because with my 20-year experience of teaching this test and English language, I've discovered some amazing methods and tricks to crack this test. So you'll get exactly what works and what doesn't work on the exam day. There are 3 things that you need to get past this test. First one, of course the most important one, the right amount of English language skills. Secondly, the right professional guide. And lastly, a great amount of practice. Once you have these 3 things, IELTS won't be a problem for you. And our course has got all of these 3 things. Plus, we help you with the pace that you need. 1 week, 2 week crash courses, or our 1 month regular course. So pick up your phone and call or WhatsApp on this number and get started with our amazing courses.